We all want as much insurance as we can get. We just don't want to pay for it. That's the way I used to think. For years, I ran my life thinking that it was an either or decision. I either saved a dollar or I used that same dollar to buy some insurance, whether that's auto insurance, homeowners insurance, liability umbrella insurance, disability insurance, major medical insurance. And with major medical, it's more about the lifetime cap on our major medical, and definitely life insurance. So when it comes to insurance, have you thought for yourself that I don't want to be insurance poor, I don't want to have too much insurance? For years I thought that way. I thought it was an either or decision, that I could either save a dollar or use that dollar to buy some insurance. And in that mindset of thinking that it's an either or decision, it's more of a scarcity mindset versus an abundance mindset. Let me explain. When we're in the scarcity mindset and we think it's an either or decision and we choose not to buy more insurance that we could have, the mindset that we're in is that of fear and of loss. And whether we're thinking about it consciously or unconsciously, we worry about the what if. What if I have a loss on my home? What if I'm sued? Do I have enough liability insurance? What if there is a catastrophic medical claim, cancer or open heart surgery? What is my lifetime cap? Could that wipe out all the wealth that I've created? How do I know? What is the right amount of life insurance to have? Do I know? Is there a right amount? Do I take my mortgage debt? Do I take this? Do I take that? Do I add it up? A few years of income for my family? There's only one answer. And that answer will assist you in staying in the abundance mindset. And the more that we can go from scarcity in the abundance mindset and maintain abundance in our life and go from abundance into prosperity, not only will we feel the peace of mind in our life that we can leverage in every area of our life, with those that we serve, those that we live with, our family, our friends, and for ourselves, but we can produce in an even higher level than ever before. Protection, maximum protection, leads to significantly increased amounts of productivity. So if that's true, and I would invite you to find out for yourself, don't just take my word for it. Find out for yourself if it's true that as you increase your insurances, as you find out what the maximum amounts are, and you implement the maximum amounts, and that gives you peace of mind to be more present in every area of your life. And being more present and having more peace of mind allows you to create and innovate within your own career, within your own business at a much greater level. Dollars follow value. Your productivity will increase, your peace of mind will increase, and as such, so will the amount of dollars that come into your life. Those are the extra dollars that you can save. You can have both. It doesn't have to be an either or decision. There is security in knowing and implementing the maximum amount of insurance in all areas of your life. It's impossible to be overinsured. An insurance company will insure you for the loss and no more. Take, for example, your home. And the pure definition of insurance is the indemnification of a loss. What would be lost in the event that X occurred? Your home, for example. Let's say you have a home that's worth about $500,000. A P&C company, home and auto insurance company, will insure your home for $500,000 and no more. They'll insure the belongings of your home. Would you ever consider insuring your home for less than that? I've got a couple $100,000 in liquid savings. I'm going to insure my home for $300,000. If it burns down, insurance company will take care of $300,000 and I'll take care of the other $200,000. No, you insure it for its full replacement value. There is security in knowing what the maximum amount is in each area of your life for insurances and implementing the maximum amount. The peace of mind and the production that can come into your life by having this, we all want it. Up until now, we just haven't wanted to pay for it. And yes, there are ways to coordinate all those decisions, increase your deductibles. We self-insure for the small stuff. We come out of pocket for the small stuff, so I'll have higher deductibles. have the highest limits of liability that they offer. Yes, there are maximum amounts. Find out what those are. Your personal liability umbrella, make sure it has uninsured, underinsured motorists on it. Make sure your lifetime cap is at a maximum level, unlimited level. Make sure you have proper accounting structure and business structure for your corporations and liability protection there. And make sure you have the max amount of life insurance possible. Today for income replacement, today for growth, short-term and long-term growth with cash flow insurance, utilizing it in the 2020 personal banking system in your life through coordination and integration. And for tomorrow as a wealth building and estate planning tool, allowing you to insure your assets later in life in your financial plan, making them worth significantly more. I hope this has been helpful. I hope that you will at least investigate this. Look at what you currently have. Even if you've worked with me, review it. Take the time to do an annual review with me. Let's look at everything. Let's pull it off the shelf, dust it off, open it up, review it, look at the changes that have taken place over the last year. And if this is your first exposure to this, let's open every drawer. Let's make sure that the coverages you have are what you thought you were getting when you first purchased them. And let's coordinate all of that with your current income, your current assets, your current liabilities. Let's find out what the maximum amounts are. Let's help you implement those maximum amounts and feel that and test that in your own life. I know we all want that. I know that you hope that what I'm saying is true. If this is resonating with you, and I hope that it is, check out 2020personalbankingsystem.com. There's an exclusive interview that I've done there, one-on-one with Garrett White, where he asked me the tough questions. You can put your email address in, you can get the full interview and find out more about how this can work in your own life and how it can benefit others. And if you're working with me, great. If you're not sure about a few things, let's do a review. Email Lacey at Optic Financial, Lacey at opticfinancial.com. Get on my calendar. Let's do a review. Let's update things. Let's make sure that what you're currently doing, you're leveraging in your own life, and that you know versus hope that what you're doing is the most efficient thing that you can do. Build the moat around your castle. Build it with your human life value assets, your knowledge, your ability to produce, sharing with others, but do it also with insurances. Transfer that risk to the insurance company. Let them manage it for you versus maintaining and taking on the risk yourself. They're far better at managing that risk for you, and it frees you up to do what you do best. And in so doing, you'll put more dollars in your pocket. Those are the extra dollars that we want to save. 2020personalbankingsystem.com, an exclusive interview that I did one-on-one with one of my mentors, where he asked me the tough questions and pulled out of me a lot of information that many of you are experiencing in your own life today. I hope you have found this useful. Share it up. God bless.